A modern day man surely knows how to dress up or down. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dress up or dress down your waistcoat. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. A modern gentleman wears a three-piece suit and a pair of shorts with equal amount of confidence and panache. What a gentleman doesn't do is that he doesn't show up dressed up in an inappropriate way or in a careless manner. He knows where he's going, he knows the occasion, and he knows who is he meeting. So he would dress up accordingly. Now, a gentleman dresses up for himself and not for others. He dresses up like someone who's not a people pleaser but who doesn't look homeless as well. Gentlemen, I'm going to start a new edition which is called as How to Dress Like a Gentleman. In this edition, I'm going to choose one piece of clothing as a subject and I'm going to show you how to wear it in different ways. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dress up or down your waistcoat. Now gentlemen, in my opinion, a waistcoat is a piece of garment which is very underplayed and understated as well. You can wear your waistcoat in many different ways. You can wear it with a three-piece suit, you can wear it as a separate, and you can wear it with your casual wear as well. It is very versatile, trust me. I'm going to show you in these three looks. Now before you go ahead and make waistcoat a part of your wardrobe, there are a few points that you must consider. First is the fit. Now waistcoat is a piece of layering as well, so it should be cut close to your body. The armholes, the length, and also the size of the waistcoat matters quite a lot. Second is the color. Now gentlemen, you can feel free to experiment with colors. If you have your basic colors in place, you can try out the reds and the maroons if you wish to. But let me tell you, you can feel free to experiment with colors as far as waistcoat is concerned. It looks really pleasing to the eyes, trust me. And before we go ahead, let me tell you that the Classic Dandy is present on every major social networking platform. So check out my socials, and if you like the content, follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and on TikTok. I release reels every week on Instagram, so check that out as well. So gentlemen, this is the first way to wear your waistcoat like a suit separate. Now here I'm wearing this double breast waistcoat in light grey. I have paired this with a darker shade of grey for a blazer, some interesting detail on the pocket square, and for my trousers I'm wearing these slim fit trousers in navy. So as you can see, this mid grey waistcoat goes well with this complete outfit. If you want, you can go for a single breast as well. I have chosen a double breast as it gives a visual appeal. And for my shoes, I have chosen these tassel loafers. Now these tassel loafers goes well with this outfit. If you want, you can go for your lace-ups, your brogues, up to you, but avoid your sneakers or any casual shoe for that matter. Loafers are probably the best option for this outfit. Gentlemen, this is another waistcoat that you can have in a wardrobe. This is in mid grey. You can have something like this either in charcoal grey or even in mid brown. As you can see, this kind of anchors the whole outfit. The key to pull off this look is to wear this with a solid shirt. Here I'm wearing a cotton white crisp shirt which is formal as well. And for my trousers, I'm wearing these bold chalk stripe trousers which are pleated. As you can see, the chalk stripe trousers gives a visual interest, and this particular waistcoat just adds to it. For my footwear, I'm wearing my double mount strap shoes which has a detailing on the toe. So gentlemen, if you're looking to pull off a look like this, it is great, but what makes it even better is a waistcoat like this. This is a simple waistcoat which happens to be single-breasted, nothing too fancy, and just a piece of accessory which is my timepiece by Orient, a Bambino. As you can see, this is your great to go out for drinks, dinner, anything and everything. So gentlemen, this is the third waistcoat that you could have in your wardrobe. This is a patterned waistcoat with checks and in a beautiful greenish yellow color. Now this particular waistcoat can absolutely be worn with your casual outfit. As you can see, I'm wearing a simple crew neck t-shirt in black color and some white denims, and that's about it. To rock the rather simple outfit like a black tee and a white denim, you can throw on a waistcoat like this in various different colors. If you remember, previously I said that you can try on with colors. This is my try, to be honest. And as far as accessorizing is concerned, I'm just wearing a steel bracelet watch, my Seiko SNXS 79, which is very minimal, just something like a day date of Rolex. Going down to my shoes, I'm wearing this particular outfit with my Bordeaux penny loafers. These penny loafers kind of add an extra edge to this casual outfit. So there are two centers of attention in this outfit. One is obviously the waistcoat and the other one are the shoes. Do let me know in comments what you feel about this look. I feel that this particular look can be carried off by most of the men. If you're going for clubbing, if you're going to party with your friends, for a coffee, for a date outside, this is an absolute killer. All you need to make sure is you need to carry this off with a hint of confidence, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in comments what else would you like to watch on my channel. Gentlemen, the Classic Dandy is an endeavor to make men's fashion more accessible and practical. So if you're someone who's new here, click on this I button to check out my previous videos. If you like the content, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to it and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.